Hello, my name is Abhay Bhausab Patil. Today's my topic is a technical topic. Today I am going to explain a digestive system. The digestive system is a vital and complex system in human body that is responsible for covering the food that we eat into nutrition and that our cells can use for energy, growth and repair. It starts at the mouth where digestion begins with other mechanical and chemical process. The teeth break food into smaller pieces through chewing, while saliva produced by the salivary gland contains enzymes like amylase that starts breaking down carbohydrates. Once the food is chewed into a soft mass called bolus, it is swallow and travel down the esophagus, a muscular tube that connects the throat to the stomach. The movement of food down the esophagus is assisted by a series of muscular contraction called peristalsis. Upon reaching the stomach, the food is mixed with powerful digestive juices, including hydrochloric acid and enzymes like pepsin, which begins the digestion of proteins. The churning motion of the stomach muscles turn the food into a thick, soupy mixture known as a chyme. From the stomach, chyme is gradually released into the small intestine, which is the longest part of digestive tract and the most critical site for digestion and nutrient absorption. Here, several organs play supporting role. The pancreas secretes digestive enzymes that helps break down proteins, fats, and carbohydrates. The liver produces bile, which is stored in gallbladder and then released into the intestine to help emulsify fats, making them easier to digest. The inner walls of small intestine are lined with villi and microvilli, that is a tiny finger-like projection that increase the surface area and allow for maximum absorption of nutrients into the bloodstream. Nutrients such as glucose, amino acid, fatty acid, vitamins, and minerals are absorbed through these walls and transported throughout the body to nourish cells. Once most nutrients have been absorbed, the remaining undigested material moves into the large intestine or colon. Here, water and some minerals are absorbed, and beneficial bacteria help break down some of the remaining substances. Then the leftover waste is completed into feces which are stored in the rectum until they are expelled from the body through the anus during a bowel movement. The entire process of digestion can take 24 hours and 24 hours to 72 hours, and it depends on the types of food and individuals digestive health. The digestive system doesn't work alone. It interact with the nervous system, which helps to regulate the speed and efficiency of digestion, and the circulatory system, which absorb nutrients to the rest of the body. Maintaining a healthy digestive system is very essential for overall well-being, and it can be supported through a balanced diet rich in fiber, plenty of water, regular physical activity, and avoiding excessive intake of processed food or irritant like alcohols. Problems such as acid reflux, constipation, ulcer, and inflammatory bowel diseases can interfere with digestive and absorption, which is leading to broader health issues. Thank you.